Hi guys, shout out to EX3C and Moshokwe who won the design challenge. I'm going to explain to you real quick how I was able to do this, right? Yeah, I have my mentee here busting her ass. But okay, back to this stuff, right? So yeah, how I was able to achieve this is simple, right? I used micro interaction. Yes, I used micro interaction. But yet it looks so realistic. So I'll tell you like my technique here and some like more inside detail stuff. So what I did was that, of course, a lot of people guessed this that I used layer blur, and yes, I used layer blur. But what makes this layer this layer blur unique is that it's carrying a blend mode of difference. So now the whole idea behind that is whenever the white, so it's white, of course it's white. Whenever the white gets to another white, kind of like inverts the color, right? So it gives you this cool effect, right? So that's what I did. Now remember, when you are creating a component, what happens is that it comes clipped, right? So if I had used it like this on my design, it would have given me a way that I actually use micro interaction. So there won't be like it won't be smooth, right? As you can see, it won't be smooth. There'll be like this break. It needs to have this feather feeling, like yeah. So what I did was that I unchecked it, the clip content. Also for the global component itself, I made sure that it's not on clip content. Why? Because I just wanted it to flow all through and through. Not that it will matter at this point because it's just the back, but like of course I just wanted it to not have any sharp feeling. So that's what I did for that. And yes, for the interaction I used after delay. A lot of people guessed that, and you're correct. After delay, then I used smart animate and with ease out, right? Then send from here to here, then from here to here, right? Then that's it on loop. So this guy here is coming from outside, then entering inside. That's this guy entering, taking it inside, this guy here. So if I play it, you see it comes in and it goes down. So don't forget, there's also this stuff happening. I wanted to actually make this stuff interactive, but I felt like it would be extra stuff, right? And you don't want to distract your user so much. I was going to like use this to control my user eyes, that okay, you could actually scroll down to see other stuff. But like it was just exploration, I was just trying to working on a project, and I was just playing around. So yeah, basically that's how I did it. And this one also is macro interaction. So in case I just reduce the opacity back to back, up. And yes, you can also give your component feel, so you don't struggle to see what you're designing. You could give your component feel, right? But giving your component feel, it will not reflect here. This will still be transparent because you are not giving the variant itself a feel. It's just the component, right? Got that? Yep. So that's what happened basically. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for participating. I'm going to be doing another one next week, and hopefully the money will be higher. So just stay tuned. Yep. Bye.